Premium automatic robot vacuum cleaner, 1500 pascals powerful suction, 650 milliliters large dust box, smart app control self-charging anti-collision, good for pet hair, hard floor and low pile carpets black. High capacity battery and auto charging. The Pureatic V2 robotic cleaner seeks the charging dock automatically after it finishes or on low battery. Built-in rechargeable battery allows for 100 minutes of cleaning before auto-returning to the electric charger. Powered by a 4400 mAh high-capacity Li-ion battery, the vacuum cleaner supports up to 100 minutes powerful suction cleaning. The input voltage and frequency are 100-120 VAC 50/60 Hz, which is suitable for all household or public places. Top-notch performance. The Pureactic V2 robot vacuum cleaner adopts 360 degrees anti-collision and comprehensive, intelligent drop sensor safety technology with anti-scratch glass top cover for protection,